You always got to take that quick video of your car before you leave, whenever you're in Center City. Today is the first day of the Philadelphia Auto Show, and we will be in that thing. We're gonna be in there like swimwear. We're gonna look for a lot of the exotics and a couple people we know that are in the show. Oh, sorry. And yeah, let's do it. The car show. Finally just hopped in this thing. Over here. I will be leading, young lady. Okay, you let me lead you to the promised land.
What do you like? Nothing.
Damn. Yes, sir. You heard him. Oh my God, it's the Raptor. Oh, see people in it. See, it's always hard at the auto show to get in cars, because whenever you want to get in a car, it's always people in it. Oh, let's find the car that you're trying to get that everybody don't know about. Come on. Where you going? Come on. All right. So, over in the Ford section. Excuse me. Oh.
Friday, and I won.
The new GT500. Actually, it's a GT, but this is, it's just close enough. Looking good. That's hot. She's playing Forza. Auto should have stepped their game up. She play like you. The Huracan. Urus. So.
Starting at 67.5.
It's like a thumbnail.
Respectable.
Huh? You get a picture?
All right. Good afternoon.
See me with the cinematic. Wait for that at the end. It's gonna be fire. Every year I see this and I want to do it, and then every year I look at this line and I keep it pushing. Is it really worth it, people? Is it the Xfinity Mustang? Get a shot of the inside. Cinematic's gonna turn out because I never used the GoPro before to shoot a cinematic, but I mean, I'm gonna try anyway. Got a Hellcat. Oh, we almost fell. Oh man, she in that 86. Look how happy she is. Oh my God.
I'm not happy.
Adjust your seat. Oh no, it's the fake stick shift. It's an automatic. They did the fake one.
Ooh, yeah.
The 2020 Supra, but of course nobody's gonna let up on looking at it.
That's nice. Hey.
So this little like, yes, 2020 Supra. It says this one's a prototype. Vehicle is locked. ATS and ride. The carbon fiber wing. Oh shit! Who's sitting here? Damn, how I look in this? Woo! God, how do I look? This look right? Or am I too little?
Now it's good.
Look good on me? Yeah, it look good on. It smells good in here. Oh my God. Now this people, it's quite the vehicle. You're about to see it.
Hold on, your mom is different.
Part of the show, the local carb clubs, and then we go into the dub section. Look at the Fox.
The Corvette we got over here is actually pretty nice. another Corvette.
This thing is nice. It's another car. There's another one. Oh, damn. 370Z. How is it? Going into the Dove show. That's the best part of the whole show. The modified cars. Oh, they got music playing in this joint. Oh, copyright. Hector's gonna be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines, and on top of that, Motec system exhaust and NOS. Damn. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? We'll get it in the cinematic. God, Z goals. If you got a Z, this should be your goal. Even though it's not a VQ. Oh yeah. Nah. It's a Nissan engine though. Carbon fiber. Damn. This is goals. This is probably a drift car. Or it could be like a road racing car. Damn. Look at all the build specs. So it is a road racing car, I think. Look at all the build specs. This thing is fire. Oh God. Oh God. They got the McLarens out. Oh, there's a Demon. Shit, I like the Demon. Oh, look who it is. The goodies booth. Got the big Whipple on here. This car make 1,000. I don't care what he tell y'all. If he tell y'all it make less, he lying. I know him. He make 1,000 horsepower. Don't race him. The loudest car in America. If you haven't seen, I'm gonna drop a little video right here so you can see what his stuff is like. Side pipe Subi. Something else. Something else. First of all, that truck is too damn big. How big the truck is. Yo. TV in the back. Man, it's kind of fire. Evo. The dub section be popping. People everywhere. Come on now. This is doing too much. This is just too much for me. No, it's not. So pretty lit this year. I ain't gonna lie. I think I might have seen everything though. That's the seat down here in the dub section. Yeah, 'cause I ain't doing the driving thing. I ain't doing all that. That's pretty much everything. Got the vendors out.
You're gonna be here.
I'm not putting my car in this. That's a wrap. Hopefully I got a good enough footage. This is the best car that wasn't in the show, of course. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share for more. And most importantly,